Prairie dogs have a complex communication system and bark out distinct calls to identify different predators. The snake has slithered into Dogtown. But one brave dog is about to take the deadly rattler on. She must drive the snake away. The snake has enough venom to kill a 200-pound man, let alone a 3-pound rodent. But the dog's sharp claws and teeth are nothing to mess with. She lures the snake away from the pups and, step by step, gets him out of town. The all clear sounds. Time to celebrate.